From the creators of Despicable Me
What I want more than anything is a real tree.
and the incredible imagination of Dr. Seuss comes the Lorax.
Hey!
It's the eye-popping, jaw-dropping,
Ow!
high-flying,
What the?
heart-stopping
Clear!
event of the year.
Who invited the furry peanut?
I'll go right up your nose!
Whoa! You wouldn't hit a woman.
That's a woman?
Dr. Seuss's The Lorax.
In real me and IMAX 3D.
Rated PG.
Hello everyone, welcome to Readers Angan channel. Today we are going to take up the book The Lorax, which is a book by Dr. Seuss. And for this book, I'll be only discussing about the reason why one should read this book. आपको ये किताब क्यों पढ़नी चाहिए, मैं इसके reasons discuss करूँगी. What the story is all about. So the Lorax book presents the story of environmental destruction. Yeah. So one thing which actually amazed me, that this book was published in 1971. Like ये 1971 के दौरान publish हुई थी ये किताब, and this stands, आप जब story पढ़ोगे you will realize that this book stands so true today. Means कि जिस तरीके से आज हम लोग environmental destruction, climate catastrophe witness कर रहे हैं, so the same thing has been presented in this story in a very innocent way. आज कैसे industrialization and consumerism is responsible for climate destruction. हमारा जो औद्योगिकरण है एंड उपभोक्तावाद है, वो किस तरीके से पूरी पृथ्वी का विनाश कर रहा है, ये हम एक्चुअली आज देख सकते हैं. सो द सेम थीम हैज़ बीन प्रेजेंटेड इन दिस स्टोरी. हमारे पास एक कैरेक्टर है जिसका नाम है लोरैक्स, एंड ही इज़ द वन हु इज़ स्पीकिंग फॉर द ट्रीज इन द स्टोरी अगेंस्ट द इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हुज नेम इज़ वांसलर. सो बेसिकली आप क्या देखते हैं कि जो भी आज का हमारा इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन है, इट प्रमोट्स ब्लाइंड कंज्यूमरिज्म. मीन्स दे जस्ट वांट प्रॉफिट्स इन देयर पॉकेट्स, एंड किसी भी तरीके से हमें हमारे सो कॉल्ड द नीड्स को फुलफ़िल करने के लिए दे जस्ट प्रमोट ब्लाइंड एंड फुलिश कंज्यूमरिज्म. सो व्हाट आई एक्चुअली मीन, ब्लाइंड कंज्यूमरिज्म इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट, लाइक अगर आप देखें तो हमारी मीट इंडस्ट्री, डेयरी इंडस्ट्री, कॉस्मेटिक्स इंडस्ट्री एंड अदर्स, मेनली मैं इन तीन इंडस्ट्री का एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ बिकॉज दीज थ्री इंडस्ट्रीज आर मेजर रीजन्स फॉर कार्बन एमिशन एंड आवर environment destruction. So we blindly consume meat, beef. We blindly consume dairy products, milk, without even paying attention the pain the cattle goes through in their life just to fulfill our blind needs, which we actually don't actually need to survive. Many of you would say that dairy industry is not responsible, but the fact is dairy and meat industry are closely related. The reason that the meat industry is thriving, it's just because we are demanding so much of dairy and dairy products. The moment we stop demanding dairy and dairy products, meat industry won't be able to thrive the way it is thriving today. And then we have influencers in our life. These big industrialists, they lead a lifestyle which we all try to copy or which we all dream of becoming, without even paying attention to the fact that do we actually need that life, or what impact does that kind of life is having on the planet currently. So आप जैसे गार्जियन का ये आर्टिकल देखेंगे तो you will realize that top 1% of people concentrate around 50% of wealth. और वो जिस तरीके का लाइफस्टाइल जी रहे हैं, like traveling on planes, producing kids. Like I was recently reading this article of Elon Musk having 11 kids, and he wants more and more. So the reason this data is of concern, because childbirth population is one of the top reasons for carbon emissions and in turn climate change. But we do not pay attention to these minute things, rather just blindly follow these industrialists and these influencers. Towards the end gives a very powerful message, and it says, unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not. And this message is conveyed by the industrialist, the Onceler, giving a seed of a tree to the stranger so that he can plant the tree and make the planet green again. But then somehow I disagree with this message, and for that reason I would like to give the Lorax 4 out of 5. Reason of my disagreement is based on data that says that planting a tree is not the solution to save the planet. I'll try to simplify this. आज एक sapling plant करते हैं, and it takes years and years to become a full grown tree. And ये ज़रूरी भी नहीं है कि वो sapling tree में बदलेगा ही, which means that there is no 100% survival success of that sapling of converting into a tree. Another thing is, a tree has a limited capacity to absorb carbon. Tree only in their young age, जब उसे अपनी wood को strong करना होता है, it absorbs carbon. And then once the tree is fully developed, it doesn't absorb carbon as compared to what it was absorbing earlier. Okay, so towards the end, I would just like to say, go on, read this book and think, understand, analyze, and act on real life solutions. Like, stop following consumerism, blind consumerism, the lavishness which is present all there outside is not actually required. It's just doing more destruction to the planet rather than saving it. And then please stop following these top influencers and industrialists. Ban them, demand carbon tax from them, and try turning out to be veganism, because there is a close relationship between dairy and meat industry, and these all little steps which we can do from our end would definitely be a step to save this planet, to save ourselves from the heat which we are witnessing today on this planet. Read this book, act, and be a part of change. For your reference, I have given certain links of the articles which I was referring in the audio. Also, you can buy the book from the link in the description box. So yeah, all the very best. Happy reading. Do like and subscribe if you like the audio. Thank you. Bye.